Imagine you're standing at the checkout counter, ready to swipe your Airwallex card, but a nagging doubt creeps in. What if your purchase is too big? Will your card get declined? Let's dive into the world of Airwallex limits and put those worries to rest. Ever wondered if there's a secret number hidden on your Airwallex card that determines how much you can spend? Well, today, we're going to uncover the truth. Airwallex cards are a popular choice for businesses and individuals alike, offering a convenient and secure way to make payments. But with great convenience comes the question of limitations. So, what exactly is the limit on your Airwallex card? The short answer is, it depends. Your Airwallex card limit is determined by several factors, including your account type, spending history, and the specific card you're using. Factors affecting your limit. Let's break down these factors in more detail. Account type. Business accounts typically have higher limits than individual accounts. The type of business you operate can also influence your limit. Spending history. Consistent and responsible spending can lead to increased limits. Conversely, irregular or excessive spending may result in lower limits. Card type. Airwallex offers different types of cards, each with its own spending limits. For example, a premium card might have a higher limit than a basic card. Understanding your specific limit. The best way to find out your exact Airwallex card limit is to log into your account and check your card details. This information should be readily available in your account settings. Additional considerations. While your card limit is important, it's not the only factor to consider when making purchases. Here are a few other things to keep in mind. Transaction limits. Some merchants may have their own transaction limits, which can be lower than your card limit. Currency conversion. If you're making purchases in a foreign currency, your bank may charge a conversion fee, which can affect your overall spending power. Available balance. Even if your card limit is high, you can only spend up to the amount of money available in your account. Tips for managing your Airwallex card limit. Here are a few tips for managing your Airwallex card limit effectively. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your spending habits to avoid exceeding your limit. Set spending limits. Consider setting spending limits for yourself to stay within budget. Contact Airwallex. If you need to increase your card limit, don't hesitate to contact Airwallex customer support. So, there you have it. The limit on your Airwallex card is not a fixed number but rather depends on various factors. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can effectively manage your card limit and make the most of your Airwallex experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.